Alright, what we got to do today, get this off, clean this up here, this down there, get this all off so we can get the new one set up in place, see what we got left to cut off, clean up. So, no further ado. Well, let's see what that did. Okay. Well, that was easy enough. There's that one. Some rock down in there we're going to have to take care of. Alright. Yeah, we'll see what that does. Alright. As you can see, it takes a while. But if anybody's got a better idea, I'm willing to listen. Alright, this is the old lip off the old panel from General Motors in their infamous wisdom. Spot welded this thing about every ½ inch. They might just well welded it complete, but I gotta get it off and get it cleaned up. This is not fun. It does not want to come off. But we'll keep working at it. Eventually we'll get it. Setting this lip down so I can get the grinder in there and cut it off. Less metal to fool with, I hope. Let's see what that did. Probably nothing. Alright, this is going to be a while, so I'm going to turn you off. You get the general idea of what I'm doing. Swearing. Alright, now they got it all off after 2 hours of fighting. I'm going to spot weld it every half inch. God almighty. Ended up grinding that lip off. Now I got to straighten it. And I did beat on it pretty good. Yeah, we're going to pick it up in the air a little bit. Alright, let's see what we can get straightened out. That looks a lot better. Alright, got a little grinding to do here and there. Trim this up a little bit, take up this top part. Now we finally got that done. There it is. This is one of many trims. Alright, now we're test fitting. We know we got a lot of trimming to do yet, but I got to get this semi-bolted in a little bit so I can see what I'm doing. See what I got to mark, where I got to mark it. Gonna have to get inside, I believe. That's not going to be as fun. Alright, we got the front panel mocked up. Now I got to get inside and mark it so we can take it back off and trim it. Well, maybe I don't have to get in. Gotta get it right after. Now we get to take it all off. Alright, we got the panel all cut out, roughed in. Got everything so it hits. We'll be able to weld underneath. Now I gotta kind of put a scribe line across the top. Like I said, I use the scribe because it just seems to hold up better. Alright. Now we'll pull that off and take a peek and see what we got. Alright. Then we got a line we got to cut off. Clean it up. Get ready to weld in the new one.